Welcome to another Gourmet Fishing Info Short. I'm your host, David Murray, and today we're going to step out on the boat and take a look at some fishing rigs. But before we can get this short out to our planetary population, a little business to take care of. So let's get started by, well, rolling the open. Hey, let's talk about an offshore monofilament trolling rig. Okay, I like to use a 100-pound monofilament or fluorocarbon leader. I've got a 7/0 J-style hook. We have a crimping sleeve. We have a little bit of copper rigging wire, and right here is a number 4 piece of wire leader that I've created in L. And I'll show you what that's for here in a second. So we're going to come in here and we're going to feed our leader through our sleeve. I'm going to come in and now feed our hook on our line, and now we're going to come back and we're going to take that tag end of our leader and feed it back through the sleeve. You know, you can play around with this, but I try to keep that loop about an inch long. Now, I'm going to come in, we're going to take, here's our copper rigging wire. I'm going to feed it through the back side of our sleeve, just like so. Now we have rigging wire, hook, and crimp. Now, here comes the little number 4 L-shaped piece of leader wire. This is what is known as the pin, and if you want to, this can be called a pin rig. That little bit of L is going to now feed through the front part of our sleeve, just like so. Now, we've got everything we need to finish this rig off. Now, I'm going to take my very old and well-used crimping pliers with the point down, the pin up. We're going to come in and we're going to crimp away, making sure everything stays in that same little orientation, just like so. We get the point, then we're going to crimp, and crimp hard, and there we are. That is the guts in the beginning of our offshore trolling rig. live TV. Well, live filming them. We're not in the studio. Okay. Okay, ready? Hey, let's take a look at rigging. Let's take